Guys, if you have your Nickelodeon slime mini brand and open it, there's actually slime. Who shakes it? Oh no, where's my slime? Is it? No.
He's trying to take me out of me. I'll be down there. If I can get one more kill.
Hold up, let me try to find this.
Dang it. How we doing this?
I know I have one.
Yeah, we can figure it out. What's that? Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, no one's talking to him. Someone's talking to me.
I literally have so much I can't even find them anymore.
Yeah, maybe it's a sensitivity issue. You know? It's not a hard fit this guy. But yeah, was that? No. Is that a magic trick? Got it. Walk right here. Right there. I can't believe that this would have been the game to get it. We've been in this game for 45 minutes, and the first place guy still only had like, Doc, you're going to get 3 times right. I'm cleaning out this lobby real quick.
What the heck? Hold on, guys. Let me put you down.
I just set up my mount, right? Where's this guy come from? Behind me, of course. This guy's a professional gamer. Yeah, I know, Billy. Oh. Hey, shut up, Billy. How about that? It's like being at my friend's house and he won't let me play.
I'm not joking. We might actually have to make a part 2,
Chad,
guys.
when Doc plays, you're going to see Hill to Hell, yeah. Just wait. Guys on the map. Gosh, dang it! Wow, dude, you hear that echo when I yell? Holy frick. I got a powerful voice. We're going to have to do a little yell out here, because I feel like my voice is pretty powerful, too, when I get going. You can try. Where we're going to yell? I just almost flipped you off, I remember. So, I just got another one. That's 4. Ah! The pyro is off. How do you
Guys,
know
I
you
can't
can
find it.
hear the